Good morning, guys. We have a 2019 Ford Mustang California Special. Gonna get a ceramic coating. Customer came in and seen someone else with a ceramic coating and thought it was a great idea to protect her car. It's very new. A little dirty, but we will give it the best protection there is. You guys stay tuned for more. This is Kenya with Ashon. We just wrapped up a 2019 Ford Mustang GT California Special. It received our signature ceramic coating. It's given the car years of protection. If you know anybody that's looking to protect their investment, or if you're looking to have your car protected with the best ceramic coating on the market today, give us a call, 757-378-2844. This is Kenya Williams with Ashon for you.